Creating bar charts in Power BI is a straightforward process that allows users to visualize categorical data and compare values across different categories. Here's how to create bar charts effectively. Import data. Connect Power BI to your dataset containing the categorical data and numerical values you want to visualize. Select Bar Chart Visual. In the Visualization panel, select the bar chart icon to add it to your report canvas. Configure fields. Drag and drop the fields representing your categorical data into the Axis field well, and the numerical values you want to compare into the Values field well. Customize appearance. Customize the appearance of your bar chart, including colors, labels, axis titles, and grid lines to enhance readability and visual appeal. Sort and format. Sort the bars in your chart by value or category to highlight important insights. Format the axis to ensure that the chart effectively communicates your data. Add interactivity. Enable interactivity by adding slicers, filters, or drill-down capabilities to allow users to explore the data further. Test and validate. Test your bar chart to ensure that it accurately represents your data and meets your reporting requirements.